in this video we are going to understand the concept of market survey. As you all know, survey means some question and there you get responses of people. So you are going to create some question on your own product or services, all the questions that come in your mind which are wondering you. So you will create a list of questions like your challenges, your goals, and you will solve it your own self, and you will also send it to people to understand and get solution to that problems. So the normal questions for this survey would be your survey name, that is firstly most important thing. Then comes your biggest challenges which you are facing, as well as people will think that what all challenges may come during your this whole procedure. Your goals for the year, like you want to achieve this, that, extra, etc., any limit that you have specified or thought of. How worth it is means you are putting so much efforts in your own goal or anything else. So is it worth it? What you're going to get in return? This question arises, how worth it is. That is what you're putting so much effort, so what are you going to get in return? Solution to the problem. Like all these problems are like your challenges, your difficulties, so what are the solution to overcome the difficulties or problem? And the last question, resource information, like from where will you get the information of your own service, product, or any other thing, or maybe from a book, video, ebook, anything else, like any YouTube channels, Google, from where all you're going to get the information to make it valuable. So you can create many more questions like whatever is coming into your mind on your product or services, the things which are wondering you in your whole procedure. So you can create a list of questions and you can send it on your, you can upload it on your social media account so that people can reply to it. You can send it on email, your WhatsApp groups, anywhere possible where you can upload it and get response of people, so that you can understand what the market is also thinking on this problem and the solution. So you can get a list of solution, so it will help you to add value. So this is all about market survey.
Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for new updated videos. Like and share videos with your friends.